Good morning students, welcome back to Shadab's channel. Now in this video I am posting the JEE mains problem from the previous papers. Okay, let us start the class. The question is, if cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 3 by 2 and sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 1 by 2 and theta is the arithmetic mean of alpha and beta, then what is the value of the sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta? Okay, understand the question all of you. What is the given data here? Cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 3 by 2. And the second condition is given as sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 1 by 2. What you have to find? Sine 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. But what is theta here? Theta is nothing but the arithmetic mean of alpha and beta. That is, the value of the theta is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, this is the value of the theta. So, okay, understand all of you? Okay, let us see the solution. So first write the given two equations. First equation is cos alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 2. And second equation is sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now I am doing that here, first equation by second equation. Okay, first equation by second equation, that is cos alpha plus cos beta by sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Okay, understand all of you? First I am taking that first equation by second equation. Cos alpha plus cos beta by sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to this 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Okay, now here cut the 2 and 2 at the denominator. Okay, now what is this cos alpha plus cos beta? That is in the form of the cos c plus cos t. Now here to this one I am applying the cos c plus cos t formula. Okay, what is cos c plus cos t formula? 2 cos c plus t by 2 cos c minus t by 2. So I am applying this formula. Cos c plus cos t is equal to 2 cos c plus t by 2 cos c minus t by 2. That is 2 cos c comma t are nothing but alpha comma beta. Alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, 2 cos c plus t by 2 cos c minus t by 2 by. Now check the denominator. The denominator is in the form of sin alpha plus sin beta, means this is sin c plus sin t. Now what is sin c plus sin t formula? The numerator is in the form of the cos c plus cos t. The denominator is in the form of the sin c plus sin t. What is sin c plus sin t formula? 2 sin c plus t by 2 cos c minus t by 2. Okay, sin c plus sin t is equal to 2 sin c plus t by 2 cos c minus t by 2. So apply that formula here. Okay, now cut this 2 and 2. Again cos of alpha minus beta, cos of alpha minus beta. Now what are the remaining values? Only we have here cos alpha plus beta by sin alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, that is equal to, here the remaining value is only 3 here. So cos alpha plus beta by 2 by sin alpha plus beta by 2, that is equal to 3 only. Okay, now this is equals to, so cot alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to 3. Take the sin tan alpha plus beta. What is tan alpha plus beta? Reciprocal of this value, that is equal to 1 by 3. But at the starting we have the theta is nothing but the arithmetic mean of alpha plus beta, that is alpha comma beta. That is given that the value of the theta is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, the value of the theta is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. So here in place of alpha plus beta by 2 I am substituting theta. Okay, at the starting given that theta is the arithmetic mean of alpha comma beta. that is given that theta is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. So in place of alpha plus beta by 2, I substitute the theta here. That is, you get the value tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now I am finding the sin theta cos theta values here by taking the right angle triangle here. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 means opposite value is equal to 1 and adjacent value is equal to 3. Okay, tan means opposite by adjacent. Opposite is equal to 1 and adjacent is equal to 3. What is hypotenuse value? Side square by side square. 1 square is equal to 1 plus 3 square is equal to 9. So this value is equal to root 10. Okay, this is the value of the hypotenuse. Now take the values of the sin theta cos theta. What is sin theta formula? Opposite by hypotenuse 1 by root 10. And what is cos theta value? Adjacent by 1 by root 2. That adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 3 by root 10. Okay, so these are the values of the sin theta comma cos theta. Simply here from the given two equations, take the first equation by second equation and apply the cos c plus cos t and sin c plus sin d formulas. Then you will get the value tan of alpha plus beta. But already clearly in the question given that alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to theta. From this take the values of the sin theta and cos theta. So what is the given question? You have to find the value of the sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. But what is theta? So what is the given question now? Sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta formula? 2 sin theta cos theta. What is cos 2 theta formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, write the question and take the two values. So clearly here I am already found the value sin theta cos theta. Now replace the values. What is sin theta value? 1 by root 10. What is cos theta value? 3 by root 10. Okay, here replace the sin theta cos theta values. Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 10, cos theta is equal to 1 by root 10. Next, cos square theta. Cos theta 3 by root 10. 3 by root 10 whole square, that is 9 by 10. Okay, this is equal to 9 by 10. Next, sin square theta. Sin theta 1 by root 10. 1 by root 10 whole square is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, now this is equals to, so 2 3s are 6. 6 by root 10 into root 10 is equal to 10. 9 by 10 minus 1 by 10. Doing the LCM, you get here 10 is the LCM. Then what you get? 6 plus 9 minus 1. That is equal to 15 minus 1. 14 by 10 is equal to 7 by 5. That's all. This is the answer. And that is nothing but the second option. Very easy question. Dead easy formula. Just here I am applying the IP concept only to solve this question, but this is the JEE Mains previous problem question. Okay, first apply the formulas to these two, like cos c plus cos t, sin c plus sin d. Then after doing the division, you get the value like that, cot of alpha plus beta by 2. From this find the value of the tan of alpha plus beta by 2, which is nothing but the reciprocal value. But already in the question clearly given the value of the theta is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. So replace theta here and find the values of the sin theta cos theta. Now you have to find the value of the sin of 2 theta. Why you are finding these two values? To get this one. Okay, what is sin 2 theta formula? 2 sin theta cos theta. What is cos 2 theta formula? Cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now replace the values, then you will get the answer is equal to 7 by 5. So this is the answer, which is nothing but the second option. Understand all of you? I will continue the next problem in the next video. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.